This video takes a deep dive into the top 5 air fryers of 2024, based on extensive research, user reviews, and first-hand testing. We'll delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL boasts a large 5.2-liter capacity, perfect for families or those who like to cook in bulk. It features its signature dual-zone technology, allowing you to cook different foods at different temperatures and times simultaneously. During testing, we found this feature incredibly convenient, especially when cooking sides and main courses together. The air fryer also comes with various pre-programmed settings for air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. While testing, we found the presets to be accurate and yielded consistently good results. However, the digital interface can be a bit complex for first-time users. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook impressed us with its innovative Clear Cook window, letting you monitor your food's progress without opening the air fryer. This not only helps prevent heat loss, but also allows you to adjust cooking times as needed. During testing, we were particularly impressed with the air fryer's even crisping and its ability to cook a variety of foods perfectly, from crispy fries to juicy chicken breasts. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to use. However, the 6-quart capacity might be limiting for larger families. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and compact option, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is a great choice. Its 2-quart capacity makes it ideal for single-person households or those with limited counter space. While testing, we were surprised at the air fryer's ability to produce crispy results despite its size. However, the small capacity limits its functionality for larger meals. Additionally, it lacks pre-programmed settings, requiring manual temperature and time adjustments. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. This multifunctional appliance combines the functionalities of an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven in one. This versatility makes it a great option for those who want to save counter space and consolidate kitchen equipment. During testing, we found the air frying function to be effective, producing delicious results. However, the larger size compared to traditional air fryers might not be ideal for everyone, and switching between functionalities requires some adjustment. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate takes air frying to another level by combining it with pressure cooking capabilities. This allows you to pressure cook a variety of foods, followed by air frying for a crispy finish. While testing, we were impressed by the versatility of this appliance. It can cook everything from stews to air-fried vegetables flawlessly. However, its large size and higher price point make it less suitable for smaller kitchens or those on a tight budget.